Wait, look at this. Okay, there are little Impossible Creations letters in here. Wait, there's even a flame over here. Learn how to create an AI video like this. Tutorial is out now.
What is going on, my impossible creators? Let us jump right in because this one is another easy one for y'all. So we will be using Higgsfield to pull this off. And when you go to Higgsfield, you will see most likely a page like this. And from here, I'm going to click on Marketing Studio on the navigation bar. And that will take us to where we should see a selection of already templated influencers. So what do I mean by that? If I go across any of these and just turn on the volume. So this one is more of like a the sound one, HSMR. This one.
And I am obsessed with the color. It feels really balanced, like not too heavy. And the grip feels so good, really.
So right now you have what looks like, I don't know, a 25, 23-year-old African-American tennis player girl. So you have a diverse range of influencers here that you can already select. Actually, for the video that y'all saw where I opened, where is it? Is this one. So I used her.
There is a dinosaur in here and a duck. Why is...
So if I hit recreate, what will happen is that the prompt that gets you the script that we just saw here, I'll just play it all the way through so y'all see.
Wait, look at this. There is a dinosaur in here and a duck. Why is there a duck? That's it. I cannot stop doing this.
So yeah, so y'all can kind of get an idea. You can kind of play the trailer to the template. If you like the meat of it, if you will, then you can go ahead and select it as a template. It'll pull it up on the main prompting area. It will also show a product, and then it will pull the avatar. Now these are for avatars that are already here. You can also create your own avatar. And the way you do that is, I think if you X this avatar out, you can click on it, and then there you go, create avatar. So that's how you'll create whichever avatar you want to create, or you can pull from, it looks like there's more of a selection here too to choose from. So that's some information that I think is helpful here. Now, let's just talk about how I created what I created, and then we can go from there. So in order to create what I did, let me go back. Let me select our template here. She pulls up. I know that I want my own product to be featured. So what do? I basically go ahead and take a screen grab.
Wait,
so
look at this. There is a dinosaur in here and a duck.
So I think I did that. I think I took a screen grab. I dropped that into chat. So I said, hey, here we go. This is me dragging that literal screenshot that I just took. And I also dragged over my logo, and I said something to the effect of, can you do me a favor and extract this iPhone phone case that you see from image 1 and replace the elements that you see within it, the duck and the other kind of aquatic elements, replace it with floating letters that make up the words Impossible Creations. So I want to see an I want to see an M, etc. Also, I've attached a logo for my Impossible Creation brand, which is the flame you see there. That's image 2. I want you to have that also within the case. Just show it once. somewhere within the liquid. What you're looking at on image 1 is an iPhone case that encapsulates these elements floating within a clear liquid. Once you create that, I want you to extract to have that essentially on a light colored background. So this will be a product photography of a phone case. That would be the final image. I have a tendency to say thank you. I almost said thank you. You never know. Got to be nice to AI. We're going to click create an image, and that'll just make sure that an image is created off of this, and then have it thinking a bit. So I want AI to think as it creates this. It just results in a better result, I think. And then we can have this be, I don't know, let's just have it be auto. So let's send that prompt through. All right, there we go. So this, I think, absolutely works. We would go ahead and download whatever, end result that we got. If we're satisfied with it, you download it. I'm going to go back to product over here. I'm gonna X that out, click on it. All right, so if you want to create a manual image, you want to like drop in a new one, you would hit create manually, select the image that you just created, and then you would go ahead and basically create the name for it and then just a quick description. So that's what you'll do. Also, if you have it in different angles, you can go ahead and drop in multiple angles of the image. So that's how we would get our image. We have our avatar. Actually, let me select this so that you see that's there. And then here's the prompt that's already created. So what it would do with the existing prompt is basically give us the same thing, just swap out the product for our own product. So if we wanted her to say something differently, we would go ahead, select all, copy, and then I would go, let me see, new chat. I would paste all of this to chat, and then we can go ahead and get rid of the @ because those are, one is the avatar and the other is the product. I would go and all the way to the top. Actually, let's bring this down. I would say something to the effect of, here, let me just record something real quick so you can get the gist of how you would basically customize this template. Hello, can you do me a favor and update the prompt you see below, where I would have an avatar go and, basically an influencer avatar showcase a case. I want to update what you see below. Have her say something to the effect of, check out the letters in this phone case. Look, there's even a flame here. This is so cute. Something like that. It needs to feel natural, needs to feel almost like an influencer video that's 10 to 15 seconds long, but use the below as a template and just swap out wherever it makes sense. So then we would go ahead and, where did that drop? That probably dropped all the way at the bottom. Okay, so hello. All right, so what we would want to do is, I'm copying this, and then I'm pasting this up top. So we would want to do that first, and then go back to our prompt where we have this whole thing, copy it, and then paste it. So we make sure that it's in the proper order. So once you hit send, excuse me, once you send the prompt through, it'll go ahead and do its magic. Okay, so it looks like it did it. So I'm gonna, copy it and paste it. And then honestly, read through it, maybe even on a Word doc, just so you can kind of see it all the way through. So, showing a friend, my case, the letters are spelled out. So I'm not going to read through this whole prompt, but you would send it through. I'm not going to send it through either, just because I'm going to be using credits here. But that's how you would do it for an existing avatar. Now, if you wanted to create your own avatar, you can go ahead. Again, ChatGPT is so like amazing and great with this new image model, the ChatGPT Image 2. So if we know we're going to do a vertical one, 9:16, and let's say, I mean, these days I'm just dictating everything. So you can write it if you want to, if you prefer, but let me just dictate real quick, a custom influencer. Create an image of a momfluencer. She should look like she's in her early 40s, a trendy African-American woman, and she's in her kitchen holding up a juicer. Okay, so maybe shot from an iPhone, a selfie iPhone perspective. Okay, so shoot that through. All right, there you go. So you have your momfluencer. She's holding a juicer, selfie style, and I mean, you can go ahead and edit. You know, if you want her wearing a different outfit, or you don't want her holding a juicer, she's just talking to camera without any product in hand, and then you can go ahead and download that to your desktop. And if you wanted to use her as an avatar, you would go ahead and select create avatar, and then just drag and drop. Actually, let me just do that right now so y'all can see. So I downloaded that. Okay, so let's go ahead. Generate from text prompt. I guess over here we could have done that as well, but I mean, if you're in chat, I would prefer chat just because it might be just free. Upload. Let's give her a name. Let's call her Shantae with 2 E's. All right, so avatar's there, create avatar. Select, and boom. So we have her. We can even remove this product. Hold on. Okay, so one thing to make sure is you check the eligibility, check the eligibility of the avatar. So that just basically makes sure that it's someone that's either AI created or like approved. So you're not using like a celebrity face, someone real doing something that they, like doing deep fakes and stuff like that. So that's kind of sort of why that's here. All right, so there you go. That cleared, that was approved. And same deal, set your prompt, pick a product, your custom product if you want. If your avatar is not holding anything, just so it doesn't confuse the prompt, send it through, and then you'll get your video. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next week.